I remember is that with you as parents, sometimes like me, it takes time for me to communicate. Currently, I'm studying in Abu Dhabi University, second year. My course I took is mass communication in broadcasting.
Wow.
Currently, I have a lot of friends, same age as adults, like somewhere 30 to 40. Every Friday, or almost every day, I'm coming to Al-Wadamun just to meet my friends who are working. And also, thanks to my parents that they give me a car, I can go to almost everywhere outside Abu Dhabi. So after university, I go to Dalmumon in Mustafa. Sometimes I go to Banias to get coffee, shankar. So it's like I'm a local. Because I'm not independent. So what I encourage now, let's go back to our topic. Enough, I know. I love driving. Even the Alien Road is fastest road in the world. Okay? How to overcome period autism is that as parents, support your children by be patient with them, know how to deal with them. Also talk to the school, your counselor, to your principal that, oh, your son, daughter has a problem. So with the ways of communications, like for the kids, they should do is like the language. You have to teach them how to speak, and like as kids, like from kids' perspective, when I was like young, normally other kids are doing nursery rhymes. That's why they exist in the world, because it's like a way of teaching them how to speak and write. This is why children normally go to nurseries. One of the ways also is sometimes, as parents, we have to be patient of what your son and daughter want. It's not always direct. Sometimes we need to multitask with what we're doing as parents. Always try to listen actively to your children, because you have to also observe the emotions. Sometimes people throw temper tantrums, maybe in the toilets, or people throwing around. Or like me before, when my parents explained is that I'm playing with the toys, like flickering switches. Maybe if you see, for example, what I remember from autism, like what you see in the malls, which is part of accessibility, is an elevator. There's lots of buttons. Like children will want to press the button in the mall. That's what happened to me. I'm so fascinated with elevators. And of course, communication skills. You have to encourage the development of communication. Nowadays, thank the UAE government providing people with autism. Some family now have the blue badge from Zayed. You can get it from the People Determination's website. I think Zayed higher organization, yes. From People Determination, you can get the blue pass, which is very easy now. Which is like you get the latest assessment. Like me, I think I got the assessment last 2018. I remember. Yeah. Which is, of course, that's everything. And still you have to keep encouraging. And always keep on praying that your children will be healed from autism, which is like me now. Now I'm talking to the whole group. Before I get